We're going to make a very simple picture with a moving part in it. First of all, I'm going to make the lever. So the way I do this, I use the ruler and make sure that my ruler lines up with the end of the piece of paper. I hold it down and just draw a straight line. This is going to be my lever. So I've turned the paper around, and when I cut it out, I'm cutting away from myself and cut along the straight line. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, so let's design the thing that goes on to the lever. So let's go with a very simple face. And we'll cut that out too. Just going to cut this bit straight over the top. You see when I'm cutting it that I'm turning the picture, so the scissors are always cutting away from me, and I just find this easier when I cut the curved bit. I'm actually moving the paper as I cut it. If I want to cut out the hair, we can do just little snips. Oops. And then just pull them out. Like that. Then I'm going to use some PVA glue, and I'm just going to stick the head onto the end of my lever. There he goes. Now let's draw. So if I put that there, let's imagine the rest of the body. So let's draw the shoulders, and then very quickly let's give him a pocket. Let's make him into a teacher with his pen in his pocket. Collars and a tie. And then I'll cut this out as well. So this is going to be the cover, and it's going to cover the mechanism. Again, turning the page, keeping the scissors straight. Okay, there's the cover. Now I'm going to use a split pin pivot. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is decide where it's going to go. So let's see if we can get it there. So basically I need to put a hole in it, in both pieces of paper. So let's pop this one here, and using the blue tack and a sharp pencil, I just push it through. The pencil goes through into the blue tack, and it's made a great hole. And let's do the same. In fact, it might be easier to do them both at the same time. So let's pop it through like that. Yep, it's gone all the way through, nice and easy. And then all we have to do is put the pin through it. And open it up. And so this is my split pin. This split pin, so I've made a pivot. And there you can see the head moves. Yep. And if I wanted to, this could be part of a card or a book page with a page with a moving part in it, and it would go like that. Now, is that working? Let's have a look. Yep, perfect. So then if I wanted to glue it onto the page, I would have to glue it and make sure that I don't put any glue where the mechanism, where the lever is gonna go. Just flip it over. And there you have it. Now if you wanted to make that into a card, we could just add some writing. Obviously this is just a prototype, so you would have to take a lot more care doing your final design.